Hi, I am your instructor from Magia Digital, and today I will train you how to repair the remote access to your surveillance system. If you suddenly lost the option to watch your cameras remotely, the reason is 90% your internet provider changed the IP address. Let's begin. 1. Hook up your cell phone at the same Wi-Fi network where your cameras are connected. 2. Using any web browser to go to ipchicken.com. 3. Write down the IP address showed in your phone. 4. Open Guarding Expert app and select the menu icon at the upper right corner. 5. At the menu, select Settings. 6. Compare the IP address showed there with the other one showed at ipchicken.com. 7. If the addresses are different, select the pencil icon at the upper right corner and type the new IP address you got from ipchicken.com. 8. Select the floppy disk icon at the upper right corner to save. If everything was good, the Start Live View button will appear at the button. Select it, and you will be watching your cameras. This training video has been created with artificial intelligence. If your business needs to train your employees and/or customers, contact us about our new service.